Production stopped long ago, and it's now been nearly 15 years since the Nintendo 3DS launched in 2011. Even official support has ended, and yet something is happening that nobody predicted. According to countless reports from the community, the Nintendo 3DS is currently being pulled out of dusty drawers more often than ever before. I wouldn't have believed it myself, but could this actually be a comeback? The question isn't whether it's happening, the question is why. The Nintendo 3DS is over a decade old, and yet more people are reaching for it right now than ever before. Not out of nostalgia, not because there's nothing better, but because there's something about this little device that no modern system can replicate. And the Reddit community has been trying for months to put into words exactly what that is. Anyone talking about their 3DS today usually describes the same experience. You pull it out of a drawer, a bag, a forgotten shelf, open it up, and within seconds you're somewhere else entirely. Not in the game, but somewhere in the past. Pokemon Moon, Animal Crossing, New Leaf, Zelda Ocarina of Time. Games that felt endless back then, and somehow still do on this system today. That's no coincidence, and it has nothing to do with graphics. The 3DS was built for one thing: gaming, nothing else. No notifications, no endless apps, no social media competing for your attention in the background. You open it and you play. That simplicity feels almost radical today. With modern devices, you're constantly fighting distractions. The 3DS doesn't do that. It simply waits. And when you open it, it's instantly there. The community also keeps talking about its weight, not the physical kind, but the emotional opposite. The 3DS is light, compact, and fits into any pocket, backpack, or break in your day. 5 minutes between classes, right before falling asleep, on a train ride. It's exactly the kind of gaming a Switch theoretically allows too, but somehow never feels quite as effortless. And then there's something else that's hard to explain, yet keeps coming up: the screen. Not because of the resolution, it's objectively weak by today's standards. It's more about the character of the whole experience. That small display has a warmth that modern screens don't. Maybe because of the memories attached to it. Maybe because the brain forgets resolution but not feelings. Or because it reminds us of a better time in our lives. What's happening right now isn't an isolated phenomenon. You see it everywhere. Wired headphones are making a comeback. Digital cameras from the 2000s are being bought again. People are actively looking for technology that does less. But why? It can't just be nostalgia, especially among younger people who didn't grow up with older tech. Or maybe we've become oversaturated. Everything needs an app, an update, or has to be posted online. You know what I mean? The 3DS is a relic of the 2010s. And anyone who had one as a kid instantly understands why it's being pulled out of drawers again. But the most interesting observation from the community is something else entirely. It's not that people are playing the 3DS again, it's that it's becoming their main device, not as a supplement, as their first choice. Alongside a Switch, alongside a gaming PC, alongside everything that is objectively better. Because better on paper doesn't always mean better in the moment. And maybe that's the real message behind this trend, not that old technology is better, but that modern gaming has lost something the 3DS still had. And you only realize what it is when you hold one in your hands again. What was your first handheld, and do you still have it? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe for more videos like this.